Hello guys, what is up? This is Ben with Joe's Game Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a Fitbit Versa 3 or FB511 battery. All the tools you see in this video will be linked down below. This will also come in a repair kit with the battery. So all these tools like the Joe's cold press glue, the Joe's T2 screwdriver, as well as the pry tools and everything like that will come in this kit. And the other stuff that you might need is a clamp, or you could use rubber bands and just a paper towel just to wipe off the excess glue. So yeah, let's get started with this repair. First of all, we're going to start by heating up the screen, just the size, just like this. And you want the heat to be set at around 190 degrees. Just go around just like this. Once you feel that it is hot, you'll grab your pry tool, grab a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, stick your pry tool in there, and just kind of go around the edges and just kind of lift up the screen. And it should just start coming up. There we go. The screen is up now. Next, what we're gonna do is there's two screws. This shield is holding the screen connection down. And we're just gonna unscrew them with the Joe's T2. Once you got those out, you just put the shield and the screws aside. Next, we're gonna grab our plastic spudger and disconnect these ribbons. We're gonna put our screen aside. Then we have these two screws right here. These are holding the board down as well. Some of this excess glue might be kind of annoying, kind of wraps around the screwdriver, just like that. See all this excess glue? Alright, once you have those screws out, you'll grab your plastic spudger, disconnect all these connections right here. There should be 3 connections. Then you could begin by lifting the whole thing up. The board and battery come out together usually. And we'll just grab that one screw that was left aside here, which is right here. We're gonna put those 2 screws aside, put the housing aside. And next, we're gonna take the old battery out. We'll just apply some alcohol, use the spudger, and just kind of go in a side to side motion. The battery should just come right off. Put the old battery aside, and now we can begin by putting in the new battery. So we'll grab the new battery, and it goes in how it came out. So the battery connection should go where the housing connection is, right here, just like that. Then we'll grab our board, put the board how it came out. So it goes in this way, just like that. Next, what we're gonna do is I usually connect the screen first and then all other connections, just to make sure, because these Fitbits, they kind of trip out sometimes, and sometimes it will work if you first connect all these up. So I always connect the screen up first and then all the other connections. So we'll just reconnect screen. Once we have the screen connected, we can begin by connecting all the other connections, like the main one right there, then the battery connection and the housing connection. All right, there we go. Next, we're gonna grab our screen shield that kind of holds the screen in place. I'm gonna put that in just like this. We're gonna grab our T2 again, grab the screws, and then you can begin by screwing them back in just like that.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
And then we got the other 2 screws. Put them exactly where you got them. I usually just do hand tight. There we go. We have everything screwed back down. Next, what I usually do is before gluing it, I would grab a Q-tip, get a little bit of alcohol, and then just clean up these edges right here, just so the glue adheres better and there's no more junk on here. I clean it up everywhere. You could do this when you have the housing completely off. That would have been better, but I'm just doing it because we forgot to do that. As long as you get all the old junk off. Let's clean up the screen a little. So just take this extra glue off. There we go. The screen and the housing edges look good. Next, you're gonna grab the Joe's cold press glue, and you're just gonna apply it to a decent amount on all the edges. Once you have it in place, you're gonna kind of align the screen and just push down. There we go. Make sure it's sitting properly. And you're gonna grab your paper towel and just wipe all the excess glue that is on here, just like that. Make sure it is aligned properly, which looks like it is. Perfect. And then you're just gonna grab your whatever works best for you guys. I have a clamp on hand, so I'll just put the clamp on just like that. Make sure it's in the center of the screen, and then I would give it about 10 hours to completely adhere, and then I would not go into a pool or any of those types of areas for like about a week, just so the glue kind of sets in. And yeah, just let it stay on this clamp or rubber band for about 10 hours, and then you should be good to wear it, and the screen should not come off. Thank you guys for watching this repair video. All the tools and all the parts that you see in this video, like the screens, the batteries, the motherboards, and the housings, will be linked down below as well. This whole repair kit should be linked down below as well. It comes with the Joe's cold press glue, a pry tool, a plastic spudger, the Joe's T2 screwdriver, as well as the battery, and some alcohol. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.